Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy vegan Alfredo sauce. Let's do it. Start by boiling 2 pots of water, one for your cauliflower and one for your pasta. Once your water is boiling, add your noodles and cauliflower to the pans. Add some salt to the water for your noodles. Cook your cauliflower for about 10 minutes or until fork tender, and your pasta according to package. When your cauliflower is done, drain it and add it to a high-speed blender. When your noodles are done, also drain those, but save the pasta water for later. Now back to the blender. Add in your garlic, vegan butter, olive oil, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, a little pepper, vegan parmesan, and a cup of pasta water. Blend everything up until it's nice and creamy. At this point, give it a taste test. I'm sure it's great. Add your pasta back into the pan along with your Alfredo sauce. Give it a good stir and it's ready to go. Once you have everything plated, top it with a little extra vegan parmesan. And there you have it, a super easy vegan Alfredo sauce. If you make it at home, don't tell anyone it's vegan, see if they can taste the difference. I bet they can't. And if you love garlic like I do, throw a couple extra cloves in. Who cares? If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and I will see you guys next time. Bye.